In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files in Microsoft Word. We're going to walk through this slowly and clearly, so you feel confident removing Word documents you no longer need, whether you're on a computer in the UK, the USA, Europe, or Canada. The main idea to remember is that Word documents are simply files saved on your computer or cloud storage, and deleting them is really about removing those files from where they're stored. Let's start from inside Microsoft Word itself. First, open Word like you normally would. When it opens, you'll usually see a start screen with a list of recent documents. This list shows files you've opened recently. But deleting an item from this list does not always delete the actual file. It often just removes the shortcut from your recent list. So if you want to truly delete a document, you'll want to be sure you're removing the file from its folder. From the recent list, hover your mouse over the document you want to remove. If you see an option like Remove from List or something similar, remember that only clears it from the recent view. To actually delete it, look for the file location. In Word, you can usually right-click the file name or select an option like Open File Location, or more options to see where it's stored on your computer or in your cloud drive. Once you know the location, open that folder. You can do this through File Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac. In that folder, find the Word document you want to delete. Before you remove it, quickly double-check the file name so you don't accidentally delete something important. If you're unsure, you might want to create a backup copy in another folder first. To delete the file, right-click on it and choose Delete. On Windows, this usually sends the file to the recycle bin. On a Mac, it goes to the trash. This is helpful because if you change your mind later, you can still restore it from there as long as you haven't emptied it yet. After deleting, go back into Word. If that file still appears in your recent list, you can now safely remove it from the list, knowing the original file is already gone. That's all there is to it. Identify the document, find its actual location, delete it from the folder, and tidy up your recent list in Word.